Hey loves, it's a coach and a baby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I blended expression color 613 and color 30 together to achieve a very beautiful color, and I was really glad I blended this color. Initially I wanted to use just 613 to braid my hair, but I was so happy I blended it. Alright guys, so going on, I went ahead to cut the braids into three. Okay, so those the other color I'm using is expression in color 30. Guys, mixing these two colors, it's a bomb. Okay, I was really happy I did. Okay guys, so when I was done cutting the braids into three, I went ahead to feather the ends of the hair. All right, so when I was done feathering the ends of the hair, I also went ahead to mix the both colors. All right, and those both colors gave me a very beautiful color that I really loved so much. Okay guys, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Also turn on your post notifications so you get notified on any of my new uploads. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Okay, share it to support me. Okay guys, so finally this is what it's looking like. It is looking so beautiful. Okay, so I loved it, and guys, stay tuned for the next video that I'm gonna be using it to braid my hair. Guys, it really came out so beautiful and I love it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you. God loves you more. Peace.